Yup. Those little words, am, is, are, help us tell how something is right now. So, I am Mina. You are Saro. Bunny is happy. The cats are dancing.
You got it. We use am with I, is with he, she, it, or one thing. Are with you, we, or more than one thing.
Hello, kids! I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're trying to discover something fun. We'll use the correct present tense form, past tense form.
Saro, what's this? This is Bunny. He is the leader of the toy team. Saro, you said I am, he is, and they are those special words? Yup. Those little words, am, is, are, help us tell how something is right now. So, I am Mina. You are Saro. Bunny is happy. The cats are dancing.
You got it. We use am with I, is with he, she, it, or one thing. Are with you, we, or more than one thing.
That is so cool.
Do you know why we said was and were just now?
Because it already happened?
Yup. Was and were are the past tense versions of am, is, and are. We use them to talk about things that have already happened.
The cats are sitting now, but yesterday they were guarding.
Exactly. Here's a quick trick. Use was with I, he, she, it, or one thing. Use were with you, we, they, or more than one thing.
So yesterday, I was a cookie thief and the toys were on the shelf?
Correct. And now, you are a cleanup helper.
I was the princess of cookies yesterday.
Yes, Princess Mina. The cookie guards were everywhere, protecting your snack castle.
Yes!
When something already happened, we don't say is or are. We say was or were.
Use was for I, he, she, it, one thing. Use were for you, we, they, or more than one thing. So, I was sleepy. She was loud. We were hungry. The toys were everywhere.
Nailed it. Let's enjoy our picnic.
Now it's the time for quiz. Here is your first question. My cat Dash very sleepy right now. What is the correct word to fill in the blank? Option A, was. Option B, is. That's right. The correct answer is option B, is. Here is your next question. Yesterday, we dashed at the beach all day. What is the correct word to fill in the blank? Option A, were. Option B, was. Excellent. The correct answer is option A. Were. Here is your next question. He dash excited when he saw the robot yesterday. Which word completes the sentence correctly? Option A are. Option B was. Good job! The correct answer is option B was. Here is your next question. They dash at the party now. What is the correct form of to be? Option A is. Option B are. Great! The correct answer is option B. Are. Here is your last question. It dashed cold this morning, but now it dashed warm. Which option uses both correct forms? Option A, were or is. Option B, was or is. Perfect. The correct answer is option B. Was or is. Good job, kids. Next time, we'll find how to use the correct form. See you there. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.